Good morning children. We are back with the second part of your chapter geometry, where you will be studying about the solid figures. So children, I will be showing you the solid figures, the solid shapes that we come across on daily basis, and from there we will come to know about the shapes. So children, you have studied about the square in the last module that I have explained. So we have learned that a square is a shape which has all the sides same. Similarly, if a square is put with some height and solid figure, it becomes a cube. Can you see? It becomes a cube. Alright. So when we draw it on a paper, it is a square. But when it comes to a solid shaped figure, it becomes a cube. Similarly, in the case of rectangle, where we have studied that the four sides are there are four sides, but only the opposite sides are same. That means if we see this part, you can see these are the opposite side, it is same. This is the opposite side, it is same in length. So when the opposite sides are same, it becomes, in a solid figure, it becomes a cuboid. We have studied about circles. So here is a circle, here is another circle with a height, and it becomes a cylinder. You have studied about a triangle which has three sides, but this is not a triangle, it is similar. You might from a distance you might say that it is a triangle, but it is not, because it is a solid figure which takes up a shape of a cone. Okay, so you can see this is a curved figure and there is a plane figure here, so it becomes a cone. The most common example that we come across is a birthday cap. When you go to attend any birthday parties, you do wear a cap, and that is also a cone. So this is the best example. Now this is a sphere, children. It is of a shape of an orange maybe, or the earth, the globe. So this is a sphere. This is how it looks like. It is a solid figure. So children, now there are certain important points to learn about the solid shapes. When we study the solid shapes, all these figures we will be talking about that we have seen just now. So first new word that you come across is faces. How many faces do we have? Do you have? You have one face. Similarly, each and every solid figure also has a shape, also has a face. Can you see this? This is a face. This is another face, 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 face and face. So please count how many faces in a cube. One face, two face, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say that there are 6 faces in a cube. Okay, now edges. The second is the edges. Alright, children, the very easy way of learning what an edges are is to learn the word line. You know what a line is? You can draw a line horizontally, vertically or diagonally, or whichever way. So can you make out how many lines can be formed? This is one edge, a line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are edges. Alright. Next comes, as you see, vertex or vertices. Vertex means one corner. Vertices means many corners. Okay. So tell me, in the case of a cube, how many corners are there? This is one corner where the two edge meets, is a corner. This is another corner, third corner, fourth corner. Similarly, if we turn, fifth corner, sixth corner, seventh corner and eighth corners. So how many total corners are there? 8 corners. We may ask you how many corners or how many vertices. So do not get confused, children. Corners, vertices are the same thing. But when there is only one corner, we say it is a vertex. Alright. So in the case of a cone, There are no corners here, no corners here, only one corner here. So we say a cone has got one corner or one vertex. In case of a cube or a cuboid, there are many vertices. There are many corners, so there are vertices. I hope I am very clear about what a faces are, what are edges, and what are vertex and vertices. So now I will show you one example of how to draw it. In case of plane figure, we will be drawing, let's draw a triangle. Triangle, as I explained you, it has got three sides. So you can draw any shaped triangle. This is a triangle because it has got three sides. How many sides does it have? One side, two side, three side. So a triangle has three sides. How many corners are there? One corner, two corner, and three corners. So there are three corners or three vertices. So there are three vertices. Alright, let's draw a solid shape. In case of a solid shape, I will draw a cuboid. A cuboid. So this is a cuboid in real sense, and this is a drawing of a cuboid. So tell me, how many faces are there in case of a cuboid? One face, two face, three face, four face, five face, and six faces. So there are six faces in case of a cuboid. How many edges I told you? Count the number of lines that you can see. Please count the lines. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, 8 lines, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 total edges in case of a cube. Okay, so vertex or vertices, we will see the corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5 corner, 6 corner, 7 corner and 8 corners. So how many corners or vertices are there? There are 8 vertices. So we write 8 here. Alright, so I hope this is very much clear. What are the edges and what are the vertices, what are the faces in the case of solid figures. Thank you, children.